Scratch off gang. Wait on. So in today's video, it's the part 2. We're gonna be putting the rear end inside my we're gonna be putting the rear end inside my Scatpack Chrysler 300 swap. As y'all can see from the last video, it's mostly up out of there. Well, it is up out of there. The other one's sitting right here. And then here goes the new one. And I mean, I've been waiting on parts to come in. So like, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. This video is probably gonna be like 2, 3, 4 different days. And y'all see me like kind of like switch clothes and shit like that. But so what done came in so far for the rear end harness for the adaptive shocks, cause like these ain't adaptive. They ain't got the little canister on them. The harness that plugs into them, if y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I've been waiting on that. Mopar been playing. So I ordered them from Mopar and they still ain't came in. That piece alone took like 2 to 3 weeks to come in. And then I still got to put in brake lines and the fuel pump. I'm finna show y'all, cause I ain't gonna lie, Mopar had that shit back ordered and hell no, bro. It told me it was gonna take like 2 months to get here. But as y'all can see, these right here, I don't know if y'all can see them good, but these fuel lines and brake lines right here, it's like a bundle. And Mopar didn't even really have them in stock for real, so they were back ordered. And I would just use these, but like, it's tore up here, gang. They all bent up and like, they been in the fire and shit. I'm waiting on that. Then obviously the fuel pump that go in there, cause this, y'all know this wasn't even no 5.7, this is a V6.
Oh my God, bro. Hell no.
You piece of shit!
So I gotta get that fuel pump. The only thing I'm probably finna be doing is changing that harness, cause in order for me to put this rear cradle in the car, I gotta change the brake lines out first. So it's still gonna be this video, just not this clip. It's gonna be a different day. I gotta go to AutoZone and get some new brake and some new tail. I can't fucking talk today, gang. I gotta go to AutoZone to get some new tail light bulbs for the Jeep, cause I ain't gonna lie, y'all, like that's another thing why I haven't like been like getting parts and like uploading on like my Instagram and TikTok and stuff, really, because like, bro, I got fucking pulled over in the Jeep and some bullshit happened, bro. Bro, I went to jail, bro.
What?
I ran from the police, bro, and I went to fucking jail, bro.
Police! FBI, open up!
Yeah, bro, we got a lot of shit in here, gang. We got a lot of shit in here, bro. We ready, gang. And I got a Hellcat wheel on the way.
Cap.
I know y'all ready for that. That's all the fun shit, you know, putting all the interior shit in there. Cause that's coming soon. I got the airbag. I'm waiting on the wheel. I got the climate control, BCM, PCM, active dampening. That's what I was talking about with the shocks, like the active dampening shocks. That's what I was talking about. And with just the RF hub. And then I got the cluster on the way too.
Cap.
I got that thing for cheap. I ain't gonna lie. Slick thought it was stolen.
You going to jail?
Y'all know they cracking down on all the stolen parts and shit now. You can't have no stolen radio, cluster, no PCMs, no modules. You can't have no stolen, bro, or they season your car game. It's over with.
The fuck? No!
Y'all gotta get y'all shit clean, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's what I'm doing.
Stop the cap.
But I'm just gonna pick it back up whenever we get on the road to AutoZone, cause I know it's been a while since y'all got a Jeep POV. So I'm gonna do a little POV on the way up there. But I'm gonna give y'all a co-star first, so y'all stay tuned.
Yeah, nigga. Ballin' like the NBA, you know I'm with the Lakers. See you with your bitch, nigga, I might take her. Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, that co-star was weak as hell. Mind y'all, the only thing I got on here is cats. My bad, I forget what to call them. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get on the road. Alright, y'all, so we in the Jeep ski, as y'all can see. I'm gonna give y'all a little POV action. Y'all know it's been a few videos. Plus, I like really ain't even did nothing to the Jeep for real. Like for me to be like showing y'all all type of like shit I done did.
What do you say fuck me for?
But this motherfucker still, you know, gets down skis and the Jeep skis.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
But nah, like, I don't know, I just ain't been trying to dog it, you know what I'm saying? Cause like, this hoe just hit like 190K miles. Yeah, I've been trying not to dog this thing, bro.
Cap.
But I ain't got my 300 to dog, you feel me? So. Bro, imagine the burble tune on the Jeep. Bow, bow, bow. Bow, bow. That bitch would be insane, goddamn.
Dumbass motherfucker.
Plug. Y'all probably can't even tell this whole raising up though, bro. I'm finna get here to AutoZone because I'm finna pull up in like 5 minutes or so. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get back to the crib, and I'm putting this harness on the Hellcat rear end because I'm supposed to be getting it in this video. Cause y'all know I've been bullshitting, and I don't know. Y'all seen me just smack me up for not being consistent, cause I don't know. But yeah. Alright y'all, so we made it back to the crib. We grabbed the taillight bulbs for the Jeep or whatever, but that's for a later project. We ain't even worry about that. We gotta get to this SRT, I ain't gonna lie. So as y'all can see, it comes with, it's the new one I bought. Well, I slick done already put some of it in. Fuck! But this is the new one I bought, the one that's not dirty. And then this is obviously the old one. The old one just has the active exhaust ones, the active exhaust plugs. It don't really have the plugs for the shocks. This one got the active exhaust plug and it got the plug for the shocks on both sides. I'm probably gonna put y'all on like a quick little time lapse of me taking this old one off, just so y'all ain't missing no content. So probably be like a few seconds for y'all. I'll pick y'all back up in a second.
Ballin' like the NBA, know I'm with the Lakers. If I see you with your bitch, nigga, I might take her. This hoe acting like a fan, so I gotta shake her. And we smoking good gas, coming from Jamaica. If it ain't about that money, I'ma see you later.
It'll probably be like a few seconds for y'all.
Pete, nigga, I'm a player. If you a real nigga, all that hating shit don't phase ya. Man, I got these niggas shot, I think I got a taser. We don't see no stop sign, nigga, we ain't stopping.
Alright y'all, so we got the old harness off and I put the new one on. This is the old one. Now I see what dude was talking about, because he told me that the old boot was like leaking. No! Bro, that shit everywhere. Like, y'all can see it's all over the harness. That shit look like the symbiote from Spider-Man, goddamn it.
Oh, hell. Fuck, get your ass on.
But yeah, that's the old harness. As y'all can see, like, all I did was like, the other one was clipped in, just like this one. So all I did was like take each clip out at a time and then put this one in place for like the new harness. Wipe that shit off my damn hands. What the hell?
Brother,
Y'all stay tuned and stay scratching off.
The next day.
Scratch off gang. What you doing? It's the next day and the adaptive shots came in and I thought I'd show y'all real quick. And I know I ain't gonna be doing no work in this clip or nothing like that, because we gonna wait for the fuel pump and the brake lines. Already ordered them and they on the way. The adaptive shocks, they got the canister like I was telling y'all in the last clip the other day. They got the canister on there that hook up to the harness that I ordered. I plugged up in the last clip.
huh?
As y'all can see right here, it plug up. It plugs into the shock, and then this the harness. And then here go the old one. Right here, it's dirty as shit. But yeah, it don't have a canister. This one do. Yeah, bro, I got the rear shocks. So now all we waiting on is the brake lines. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. It sucks to even explain this shit right now, but I'm gonna have to go to the junkyard to get those rear brake lines because Mopar decided to cancel my damn order this morning on the brake line. Mind you, I done ordered them twice. I ordered them from Mopar on eBay, canceled it. Ordered it from Mopar Parts Direct or whatever, cancel, nigga. So they keep saying it's back order and they don't know when it's gonna be in stock. So I'm gonna have to go to the pull apart and try to find it, bro. Try to find the parts. We'll try to find one that got this at least, cause it could be from a V6, 5.7, 6.2, 6.4, it don't matter. Cause these brake lines are all the same, if y'all don't know. So it sucks cause I'm gonna have to pull the whole rear end out just to get them. I ain't gonna keep talking because next clip we get straight to the action. I don't want this video to be too long. Y'all stay tuned, stay scratching off. See y'all in a minute. Scratch off gang. What you doing? So it's the next like week, I ain't gonna lie. Mopar was playing. They canceled the brake line order. No! They canceled the fuel pump order, bruh. No, dude! Like, man, I'm sick of this shit, man. So, I ain't gonna lie. The rear end is in the car. Oh! Well, it's almost in the car. I ain't gonna lie. I just went ahead and got straight to the action and almost forgot to record for y'all. So that's what we doing now. I got 2 jacks up under here. Y'all can't really see because I ain't got no flash on, but yeah, I got 2 jacks up under there. And yeah, I'm finna get straight to the action. I'm just gonna throw y'all on a little time lapse until I get it in there. Then once I get it in there, I'm just gonna pick the camera back up. So then I'll show y'all where all the bolts and stuff go in and all that extra shit. So y'all just stay tuned.
Bad bitch, she got braces and her lips poppin'. Niggas tryna ride my wave, niggas steady jockin'. I'm with Lil Justin on the stage, finna get the rockin'. Make your bitch lose her mind, yeah, I got a brain lift. Finna pull up to the spot, know that's where the gang is.
Alright, y'all, so I got it in. I just gotta put the bolts in on this side. Then I gotta put the bolts in on this side. But I ain't gonna lie, rookie mistake. Apparently I'm not a swap guy. I forgot the springs, bro.
You're a fucking idiot.
So I ain't gonna lie, I ain't even gonna waste y'all time. I'm gonna lower it back down just a little bit to enough where I can slide the springs in there and then raise it back up and I'll cut it back on when I'm putting all the bolts in there.
Tomorrow.
Alright, we back with it. And I went ahead and did a whole bunch of shit off camera. We got the rear end in. You see on these right here, I kind of messed it up. I had them like backwards.
Wow, man.
Y'all see they got this one labeled as the left side and they got the other one labeled as the right side. So I put this one on the actual left side, but this canister was rubbing up against this right here. So
Nigga, wow.
but yeah, now it's fully in there. I got all 4 cradle bolts in on both sides. Then I got the shock bolts in there. And then I was just plugging up these right here. But I was like, you know what? Let me cut the camera on for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Why not? Why not finish up this little video?
That's why he's the GOAT.
We plug these up right here. They go right here to these. I don't go to that one. I go all the way in there. I'm tripping. It's like gonna be hard to plug it up. Yeah, that's gonna be hard to plug up. Let me set y'all down. All this damn trouble. Cutting my fingers up. Out here dying and shit. Quit letting these swaps beat y'all like it, bro. This shit don't be that hard.
Stop the cap.
I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like way up here.
Nope.
Throw these Brembos on, and then I'm finna see if these wheels right here can clear the rear Brembos, cause I ain't gonna lie, I don't think they can. Well, I'm gonna give y'all some B-rolls real quick, and then we just gonna get to installing this thing. I know y'all peeped that dash in the dash skin, so for a whole nother video though, yeah.
I'm a dog off the leash, nigga, you can't tame this. Smoking on exotic gas, you can't even name this. If you with me, then we locked in, no, you can't lane switch. Niggas talking down, they hating on me on that lane.
Alright, y'all. So, I already put one on, bruh. I wasn't even recording, but it's cool because I'm gonna record the other side. I ain't gonna lie, that shit starting to look good now, though.
Stop it.
Wish I had the drill rotors, though. I still gotta plug this brake line in and then screw it up right here. I'm just gonna set y'all up right here. But now we finna do the other side. So we got this side fully on, the Brembo's fully on, the brake line's fully on, everything intact. We finna try to put these wheels on, bro. I'll get back to y'all when I get at least one of the wheels on and get the spinning one on. Alright, y'all, so we got one of the wheels on. Good news, even though I ain't keeping them, These bitches clear, dog. Like, on bro, these bitches is clearing. I'm finna put the other side on. I'm finna go ahead and put this side of the wheel on. Set y'all up. I'm sitting here using the O2 sensor socket to take these lug nuts out.
Get some help.
You idiot. You're honestly an idiot.
I ain't fucking with these at all. All type of curb rash. Fuck! And they just ugly anyway. Who would want to ride on this?
Shut the fuck up!
Alright, y'all. So I got it lifted off the jack stands. And I want to see how low it's going to get. I hope this bitch is going to start rolling forward and back. I'm so pissed, bro. Y'all see that? I done had the car tooted up for so long.
Whoa. Now.
Bro, this shit crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Nigga low-key happy, I ain't gonna lie.
Man, shut your bitch.
As y'all can see, the Brembo's clear as hella space back there. The rear is finally fully done. Now, all I gotta do is just rebuy the fuel pump. Since Dodge wanna cancel motherfuckers' orders and shit.
I will find you.
I'm gonna get a fuel pump, and then the rear will be completely done. But the next thing we're gonna be working on is getting interior harness in, PCMs and all that, all the modules. Y'all know the dash, all the AC shit. I got a whole nother video and whole nother content project coming for this, so y'all just stay tuned. It's finna be like a one-to-one dash.
Stop the cap.
But I just switched the harnesses for the Chrysler dash. I put the Scatpack wiring in there, so y'all stay tuned for that video. Y'all just stay active, stay tuned, and try to keep y'all updated as much as possible. Like I told y'all, I got arrested.
Solitary confinement.
And I had to pay hella bread for a lawyer. All type of bullshit, so y'all just bear with me, bro. I got a lot of shit in here that I still need to install, that I can get videos out of, so y'all stay patient, man. Bear with me. I'm finna end this video off right here, man. Love y'all, everybody who supported me, and y'all just stay scratching out.